How to delete an Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete an Instagram account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and activity section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the account center which can be seen at the top. And this is where Instagram and Facebook manage account settings together. So here in the account center, you can see the option labeled as personal details. So simply tap on it. And now here inside this, you can see the option labeled as account ownership and control. So simply tap on it. And after that, simply select deactivation or deletion on the next page. And there on the next page, you simply have to choose the Instagram account that you want to remove. So simply select the account, and after selecting it, you simply have to select delete account and tap on continue. And after that, on the next page, Instagram will tell you that any account connected with your Instagram account will be deleted just like your threads. So simply tap on continue, and after that, on the next page, it will ask you the reason for your account deletion. So simply give it a reason and tap on continue. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue again. And once you do that, it will show you all the things that will be deleted once you delete your Instagram account. So simply tap on continue again, and after that, it will ask you a password for the verification. So simply enter your password and confirm it, and once confirmed, you simply have to tap on delete account and continue. And once confirmed, your account enters a 30-day grace period, and if you log in during that time, deletion will be cancelled, but after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete an Instagram account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.